Interdependencies between vitamin D binding protein, alpha-1 antitrypsin and neutrophil proteins in meconium of full-term neonates. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Background aims. Neutrophils are one of the hosts of innate immune cells detected at the maternal-fetal interface. Careful regulation of the inflammatory and immunoregulatory functions of these cells most likely plays a role in successful gestation. Still, neutrophil assays are not commonly used in perinatal diagnosis as there are no specific biological materials available for their detection that could be simply and non-invasively obtained from the intrauterine environment. Alpha-1 antitrypsin, ART, vitamin D binding protein, VDBP, and neutrophil granule proteins are specifically related to the neutrophil function and may be considered candidate biomarkers detected and measured in meconium, the first feces of newborn infants, as signals indicating abnormal processes in the fetal stage. Individual proteins found in meconium can be a source of information pertaining to the intrauterine metabolic processes. Methods: concentrations of ART, VDBP, calprotectin, myeloperoxidase, lactoferrin and elastase were measured using ELISA tests in 80 meconium samples collected from 19 healthy, full-term neonates. Results: the meconium concentrations of VDBP and ART, mean plus or minus SD, mg/g meconium, 3.74 plus or minus 6.93, 3.72 plus or minus 1.79, respectively, were approximately 1,000 times higher than those of the protein granule proteins calprotectin, myeloperoxidase, elastase and lactoferrin. Mean plus or minus SD, GG meconium, to 85.7 plus or minus to 15.8, 1.83 plus or minus 1.73, 1.72 plus or minus 2.70, 45.58 plus or minus 78.89, respectively. The correlation between VDBP and ART was negative. R is equal to 0.40, P is equal to 0.000, and those between VDBP and calprotectin, R is equal to 0.38, P is equal to 0.000, and VDBP and myeloperoxidase, R is equal to 0.45, P is equal to 0.000, were positive. ART was found to correlate positively with lactoferrin, R is equal to 0.38, P is equal to 0.000. Conclusion: the correlations between the concentrations of VDBP and ART and with neutrophil granule proteins observed in meconium indicate their functional relationship in the intrauterine environment of the developing fetus. Meconium can be seen as an apparently underutilized source of biomarkers for the evaluation of metabolic processes specific to fetal development. The findings may offer new biomarkers for diagnosing abnormal intrauterine processes and help explore the metabolic conditions of the fetus. This research has potential implications in the field of neonatal diagnostics and fetal health monitoring. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.